Yo, what up, man? It's your boy E from God, Guns, and Glory, man. Hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. Today, we're putting on the Talon grips. Talon grips. Alright? It's going to be for the Glock. The Glock19. Alright, first thing is first. I'm going to unload it. Safety first. Got one in the chamber. Put that away, all the way over here. Clear it. It's cleared. Okay. All right. Point it in the safe direction. Shoot. All right. It's cleared. Boom. So first thing is first. Talon. Got a Talon grip sticker. I got the receipt. The order number and everything. They did write on it, thank you again for your purchase. This is the second purchase that I did with Talon grips. I like their product. This is a little sticker you can put somewhere in your window, your car, whatever. Comes with an alcohol rubbing pad. So for this one, I got the black rubber one for the Talon grips. It's nice, really nice. Okay, so first thing is first, you're gonna need this. Obviously, we're doing this one, and you need a blow dryer. Okay, this one right here is the rubber moss fill. All right, so we're gonna clean it. Well, first thing is first, you want to take it. It's very simple. You line it up with, you know, there's a cutout right here where it says the Glock or the G. You want to line it up perfect. Then you want to go around, you know, all the way to the other side, basically. Okay? Make sure that this side is lined up too nicely. All right? T for Talon grip right there. You want to start with the left side of the handgun. All right. So, and there's directions, instructions. Okay. So we're gonna peel it, and for me, I'm gonna peel it little by little. I'm not gonna peel the whole thing. I'm gonna do one piece first, place it where it needs to go, and then lightly press on it, not too hard in case I have to adjust it. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna clean it. I know it's unloaded, but I still don't want to point it at myself. Just don't want to do that, all right? So I'm gonna start with the left side. Right here. Peel that back. Nice and sticky. All right. Place the gun in front of you, don't do it. Don't hold the gun in your hand. All right. And there's a cutout, so you can just follow that. There's a cutout so you can follow it. Make sure that, you know, do like a little light press, and then continue with the next part of it, which is the back of the strap, the handle. Okay. looks beautiful. Looks really nice right here. I'm gonna have to fix that part right there. Let me just make sure that this perfect. Having a little trouble with that back strap part. Oh, there we go. Perfect. You have to gently press it gently. All right. Wow, look at that. Looks good. Okay. Now, that's perfect. You might have to adjust it a few times, but that's okay. All right. Now that it's on, you wanna, it says push, make sure that there's no air sockets, air bubbles, okay? If that's where you like it and that's where you want it at, then you wanna make sure you push. That light. Okay, so right here, just lift this up a little bit. I need to adjust this a little bit. Here we go. Lean it forward. There we go. Perfect. Good thing about it is that you can adjust it before you do the final thing, and that's the blow dry. So, all right, I'm gonna press down, make sure everything is to your liking. There's no air bubbles or anything like that. Okay. And you want to rotate it more towards like the way you were going when you started from the left. Okay. All right, that looks good. I'm just gonna have to readjust this a little bit. There we go. Perfect. There was a little air pocket right here because it goes in a little bit, so you have to press. Make sure you press it really well, really good, really tight. All right, now you can see how it looks, nice and beautiful. There you go. Nice. Feels good. Yeah. Feels good. It looks good. It gives it a little different, a little look to it, a little flavor to it, a little attitude. Okay. Let's start the process. Let's start on the left side. We'll go a little higher. As I'm doing this, I want to press down on it, just in case there's any air bubbles, air pockets. As you're heating it up, continue to press down like I'm pressing so that it really gets molded to the frame. I had a little air pocket right here, right there, and I just pushed my finger down and I heard it pop. So took care of that. And there you have it, folks. Talon grips. Perfect. Right here is the little dip where you put your, right here. There's a little dip right here. So I had to push this in a little bit more and I heard it pop. It was an air bubble in there, I heard it pop. So it's good to go now. As you can see, on both sides, it's good. And that's it, man. There you go, man. Talon grips. They haven't failed me yet. I love their product. I recommend their product. I got it for the Smith & Wesson as well. This is my first purchase right here. The black one. It never failed me. I had it for a long time now. So that's why I went back to them. And I know if I have any problems, I can always reach out to them, and they could fix the problem ASAP. So that's it, man. Let me know if you're running a Talon grip, or if you have a Talon grip on your handgun, on your everyday carry. Let me know, and let me know what you think about it. If you have Talon grips, let me know what you think about it. For me, I personally like Talon grips. I like what the product that they came out with, and for my M&P Shield Plus. For people that do have that gun or shot that gun, the handle is really rough. It's like sandpaper rubbing against your skin, rubbing against your shirt, ripping your shirt. It was ripping my shirt. It was making scars on my body, you know, where I had it at in the appendix area. So I got it. I love it. And then for the Glock, I just wanted a different look for it because it's good without the Talon grip, but the Talon grips, I like it. So it gives it a little different look to it, and the grip is just nice. So with that being said, it's your boy God Guns and Glory, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. All right, peace. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Until next time.